Hello everybody, and today it's the lock-picking lawyer. Today we have a master lock, a number 5 master lock, tough under fire master lock. And today we will pick this lock as we will expose its flaws. Guys, if you haven't gotten this yet, I'm kind of had to make a stab at lock-picking lawyer, and it's Jeff the Maintenance Man, guys. I'm gonna give this new lockpick set that I got here a whole bunch of lockpick sets. I'll put a link in the description below. They actually go off screen, but it's got everything you need to pick locks and do whatever to locks. And I even bought a packet of shims. I'm still talking. I'm still being in character of lockpicking lawyer. His voice is kind of funny though. I like the way he does it. Anyway, just use a standard thingamajigger, tensioner, sticker in the lock there. My videos are not as good as lockpicking lawyer. Yeah, I need to go the other way. Probably. Maybe. I don't even know yet. Yeah, it goes this way. Okay. I'll put a finger like that. Just gonna use a standard hook kind of pick thing there. See if we can pick this. It's my first time actually doing a master lock. Like, ooh, I see what he's talking about. Like, I watch his videos all the time. This is a dedication to him because this is pretty cool that you can actually feel those pins pop into place, or a fault set. You kind of know that there's a fault set. It just feels different. I don't know how to explain it. But let me reset here. Sometimes resetting is not a bad thing to do. And y'all can't see it. I don't even know how he gets his angles on his videos. Like, goodness gracious. Must be hard as hell. Because now it's, oh, there we go. Three is binding. Oh, there we go. Hold on. Almost got it. There's one more. Come on. I keep feeling this cylinder move. Alright, let's see. Pick this damn lock. There we go. Open, baby. Doom. Done, son. There you go. It has been picked. 3 minutes, guys. 3 minutes. So, this doesn't really matter if you have a tough under fire master number 5 lock. Here. There you have it. You didn't even have the key to this. I don't even know what this goes to, guys. So, I'm Jeff the Maintenance Man, not lock picking lawyer. But if you have not seen lock picking lawyer's channel, there has probably going to be a bubble up here somewhere that says like a little eye on it. You probably need to click on that. Plus, his link will be in the description below. And till next time, thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I'm Jeff the Maintenance Man.